Hey guys, it's Whitney from AirMart, and today's Friday Flyby is this 2016 TECNAM P2010. This bird has only 700 hours since new and is equipped with Garmin's G1000 cockpit with WAAS, synthetic vision, and the GFC 700 Autopilot. Now I know what you're thinking. Why TECNAM? Why not a 172? I'll give you 3 reasons why. Reason number 1 being value. The price point of this TECNAM is an exceptional value compared to 172s of a similar vintage and time. Reason number 2 is the accessibility. The doors on this TECNAM open almost 180 degrees. Additionally, TECNAMs have a third door, making it extremely easy for you passengers to get in and out. Reason number 3 is the cabin. The TECNAM sits very high and has a ton of room in the cockpit. Additionally, it has these gorgeous two-tone leather seats and a ton of creature comforts, like cup holders and sunglass holder. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If this bird is of interest to you, give me a ring. I'm Whitney from AirMart and I'd love to talk to you.